What's up? It's been a while since I made a video. At the moment I am recreating a gaming console that was never released in 2000, and that is the original Xbox prototype, this one right here, in the shape of an X. So I'm going to obviously 3D print the whole entire thing, then I'm going to insert a modified Xbox 360 console, put the guts in there like the motherboard and the DVD-ROM drive. So we'll play the original Xbox games, we'll also play 360 games, and we'll also play emulated games like Nintendo and Sega. So the idea here is to obviously recreate that whole entire look. Obviously I'm going to put skins on it, so I'm talking about vinyl, so it'll be like chrome color or silver like the original there. So yeah, and it won't be limited to just the Xbox 360. I'll also make a version where you can actually put in the original Xbox console, and I might actually make a few more for the Xbox Ones and the Xbox Series. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on that. Check it out. As you can see here, the Creality Ender 3 Pro is printing the small parts. The Creality CR10S is down at the moment. I need some new electrics, but the Creality CR10S5, the big mama, is printing the back panel for the prototype, as you can see there. On this table I have already modded the Xbox 360 Slim. I have also put it on a base plate which will slide in the back of the Xbox prototype. I also need to extend the DVD-ROM drive wires.